For our One World presentation, Nikki and I chose a radioisotope nickel-63. Although it is limited in its uses, the fields it excels in greatly beneficiates people on a global scale.
The importance of nickel-63 is greatly felt in the world of security. Nickel-63 is an activation product, meaning it is made radioactive by neutron activation. Nickel-63 becomes radioactive through fusion.
The formula of nickel-63 consists of nickel-62 being bombarded with neutrons and then creating an active radioisotope, which is nickel-63. This can be shown using this formula. It goes through beta decay to create copper-63. The half-life of nickel-63 is 100.1 years, which gives many people concern since it is considered radioactive waste and it is around for so long.
The isotope is first mined, then bought by various companies wanting to make nickel-63. They do this by bombarding nickel-62 with neutrons, which creates the active radioisotope nickel-63. The nickel-63 detectors are very good at what they do.
It creates a wall of security that is virtually impossible to penetrate. It is made and distributed by Oak Ridge National Laboratory, a leading company in the security industry.
How it works is,
nickel-63's beta emission acts as an ionization source, taking electrons from the molecules that are given off by material being detected. It then analyzes the resulting ions in the device and sees if there is anything dangerous. This is an airport security detector that uses nickel-63. The nickel-63 would be within the walls of the detector, which is where it would use its ion analyzation process. As you can see in this diagram, the arrows going in are the beta particles going to knock off an electron, and the arrows coming back are the sensor's analyzation of the resulting ions.
On a political note, as a government, one of their primary jobs is to ensure the safety and well-being of the citizens they govern, and many technologies and isotopes can lead to the harm of the people, but nickel-63 is one that is used to protect.
Its use is to detect bombs, chemical weapons, and other harmful substances. It is extremely beneficial for the government for many reasons. One of these reasons is humans can't perfectly check a person to make sure they are not dangerous, and these machines are flawless when checking for harmful objects.
Every government needs to ensure their citizens and tourists are safe, and nickel-63 contributes to ensuring the safety of innocent people.
Without a doubt, these security features save countless lives a year. However, their morality is still questioned. When it comes to the morals of this technology, it's a double-sided sword. It's proven that there's a small chance you can retrieve cancer from this technology through ingesting and inhaling. Here's a chart proving its effects on you and cancer. As you can see on the right, on the ingestion column, it is much higher than its sister isotope, nickel-59.
This is very rare. However, it still is a small factor towards possible cancer diagnosis. So morally, it is good and bad. It is right that the people are being protected, but it is wrong that the protection of the people could lead to the harming of them.
This is the same ethically. Society wants an abundance of safety and no chance of harm. So the use of this equipment follows society's rules overall, but slightly breaks them to ensure general safety.
It is economically beneficial for many reasons. The first economic benefit is for mining companies to distribute the nickel ore. It is then beneficial for technological companies to change the nickel into nickel-63 and to then produce the scanning machines and sell them to airports and other places that need security.
The fact that nickel-63 can be used for security technology means more customers for nickel miners. They gain customers like Oak Ridge National Laboratory, who buy nickel for this isotope's amazing features.
This also helps airport economy because passengers are reassured of the safety, making them more encouraged to fly. And this technology allows airports to spend less time checking passengers. So overall, it is very economically beneficial because of the jobs it creates and the high prices it goes for.
Environmentally, it is a bit lacking. We have to create large mining sites on which to extract the nickel, which has a devastating effect on the environment that we live in.
Ultimately, nickel-63 is a revolutionary isotope. It solidifies the safety of countries through its impeccable scanners, defending against illegal weapons.
The importance of this isotope is undeniable, and it has great benefits politically and economically, but it does have room for improvement in the environmental, ethical, and moral areas. Thank you for listening.